Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Taylor. I am ready to go on vacation. I leave for vacation tonight and I'm only packing a carry-on, which is very unusual for me because I always tend to overpack. I did already start picking out my outfits throughout the week just because I'm crazy like that and I need to prepare. This is my carry-on. It's just your traditional size carry-on and I'm actually going to be using packing cubes. This is the first hack. I think everyone should invest in packing cubes. My boyfriend's mom actually got me these for Christmas and they are a game changer. So since we're going on a weekend trip, I want to pack around 2 outfits per day because most likely I'll wear one outfit during the day and one outfit at night. We're going to Charlotte, North Carolina, and I already checked the weather and it's going to be very hot. So most of this is very summery. First thing I'm packing is this adorable jean jumper. I can wear this with white sneakers or flip-flops. This is definitely like a nighttime outfit because of the long sleeves. It's very light but heavier if it's like 90 degrees out. The nice thing about these ones is that they are expandable, so you can open them so they widen up, and in this circumstance I am going to do that because jean material is very thick. This is what it looks like all rolled up, and then I just put it inside the bag. And as you can see, it barely even takes up a third of the bag. It just takes up about that much, so we have a lot of room to work with. Next thing I always suggest packing on a vacation is a simple black dress. I feel like you can never go wrong. You can really dress this up or down. This next outfit I am so excited about. I can really wear this during the day or the night. It's by the brand Court and I got it from TJ Maxx for $34.99. Like, what a steal for a matching set. Another great thing is that these shorts are extremely versatile, so I could just throw on like a band tee even if I wanted to with these. Then I decided to pack 2 different white shirts. This first one is from Lucky Brand. If you saw my recent vlog, you saw that I purchased this shirt. And then we got this tank top here, which is a little bit more dressy. I could definitely wear this out to dinner with a bunch of gold jewelry. The material on this is pretty thick, which I know I will be sweating, but you know what? We sacrifice when we want to look cute. This next thing is something that I cannot live without, and I will bring them on every single trip that I go on because these are the only shorts I wear all summer. These are the Levi's 501 mid-thigh shorts. Y'all, you are sleeping on these if you don't have them. I'm gonna bring a bathing suit just in case. I know we're not gonna be by the beach, but I feel like it never hurts to have one on hand just in case. You just never know when you're on vacation. Then of course I'm gonna pack a couple pairs of pajamas. With a carry-on, it is key to wearing almost as many layers and things on your body as you can instead of packing it in your bag. So I always bring a pair of biker shorts because they're just so easy to throw on. If I was gonna do a workout, go for a run, go for a hike, I just have these on deck. And because it's gonna be hot, it makes more sense to do biker shorts than leggings. And then a oversized sweatshirt. This is just a zip-up black sweatshirt from Cotton On. Now let's talk about shoes. I am bringing 3 pairs of shoes on this trip. I'm gonna be wearing my sneakers, which are these. These are just white Adidas. I'm gonna bring these pair of sandals. These are pretty comfortable to walk around with during the day. They're by the brand Cushionaire. And then of course we need to bring a dressier shoe, like something with a heel. These are by the brand Nye Solo. I don't know if that's how you say it, but are you kidding me? Are these not the cutest shoes ever? Packing shoes in bags is also a good key because things can get dirty and I don't want all my other stuff getting dirty. Now we have to get into packing makeup, cosmetics, toiletries, and all of the above. I purchased this little travel train case on Amazon and I didn't realize how heavy it was, and honestly it takes up a lot of space, so I'm not going to be packing this. However, I do think this is great if you aren't traveling on a plane just because it is heavy. I think you could use this for like weekend trips. Instead, I'm going to be packing this guy right here. I've had this for years. I'm pretty sure I got it on sale a long time ago on Sephora's website. It is pretty dirty, but it just has the perfect amount of compartments and it fits in my nice carry-on bag so easily. And of course, I talked about this, I'm pretty sure, in a TikTok video. This is my Vanity Planet mirror. It has 3 different light settings. You can dim it if you want to. I mean, you just never know what the lighting circumstances are going to be when you're doing your makeup outside of your home. I want to give a quick shout out to Supergoop because they sent me so much stuff for this summer. I am beyond excited to be working with them in this portion of the video. They did send all this stuff to me, but I do want to mention that I have tried Supergoop in the past and absolutely love their products. I want to show you a few things that they sent over. I'm not going to be bringing all of this stuff on my trip, obviously, but you will see it throughout the summer when I use these products. First thing I want to talk about is the Glow Oil. This oil has 50 SPF in it. That is insane to me. I am so excited to try this, and they have a little travel size as well on their website. body. Of course, I had to pick up the Unseen sunscreen and the Glow sunscreen. I have tried the Unseen sunscreen before and I love it. My skin does not break out. I use this on both my face and my body. And the Glow screen, I have heard so many iconic things about this because it gives you that natural, nice glow that we're all looking for in the summer. The 3 products that I'm going to be taking with me on this trip is the Glow Stick. This has 50 SPF, the Resetting Refreshing Mist. I don't know about you guys, but I've seen this all over TikTok and people rave about it. This has 40 SPF, so you just spritz it on. I can keep this in my purse with me. And then of course we need to have a little guy on hand. This is the Mineral Sheer Sunscreen with 30 SPF. Everyone needs to be wearing SPF at all times in the summer. I always have it on my face and my body and your hands, y'all. Your hands and your neck are the first things that are gonna age. So try it out. Don't forget to use my link that are in my description, and thank you again to Supergoop for all these goodies. I have to bring one nice purse. I feel like my fanny pack is not gonna go with everything. This is my fanny pack. I wear it all the time. It's great for just the casual look and of course the day-to-day. I can wear it hiking, walking, and then we need something that I can dress up an outfit with. I can either wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. Of course, I have to bring my all-time favorites. These are the Liquid IV in the acai berry. I also love the grape one. I do have a discount code for you guys if you want to use it. I believe it's simplytaylorbcollab. You get 25% off and free shipping. These are key for every single vacation. You never know when you're going to be dehydrated or maybe a little bit hungover. Totally unrelated, but I just got the cutest package in the mail from Bobble Bar. I'm going to be making a TikTok with these earrings, but I figured I'd give them a shout out here because they treat me so good. I love Bobble Bar. They make the cutest jewelry, and I also have a personalized bracelet that they made me a while back. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but it is one of my favorite bracelets. It says my name on it and I wear it every day. Cutest thing ever. Such a great gift idea as well. But I wanted to go through the earrings that they just sent me. These first ones are a little cocktail and then pineapples. I thought the pineapples would be so cute for the summer. And these ones, I was like, I need these in my life. And who doesn't love a little dangle moment on an earring? They're little unicorn floaty earrings and they're huggies, so they're gonna look so cute. And lastly, these are another pair of dangle hoops. These ones have a little cassette tape and a little rollerblade. Are you kidding me? I'm so obsessed with these. Moving on to jewelry, I always forget to wear and pack jewelry because I don't wear it to the airport. This is my jewelry stand from Amazon. I'm gonna just pick a few pieces. I'll probably bring this herringbone necklace, this gold chain, and then a bunch of my rings, and then a couple bracelets, including that Taylor bracelet from Bobble Bar. I'm wearing my Jennifer Fisher Huggy hoops right now, but I might bring a larger pair too if I want to like dress something up. This is bad, but I'm literally wearing all black. I just have an oversized sweatshirt. I have a tank top from Aerie and my Aerie biker shorts, wearing sneakers. Feel like I didn't pack enough. Like, part of me really feels like I'm gonna run out of outfits, but that's what shopping is for, right? These are the jewels that I'm bringing. I'm gonna be putting them in my fanny pack. I just have a gold chain. I have 2 bracelets and then a ton of rings because that's what brings together a whole look for me. I'm debating on bringing another necklace, but honestly, I think this is gonna be enough. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Follow me on TikTok because that's where all of the travel videos will be. And again, thank you so much to Supergoop for gifting me all those goodies and setting me up for summer. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.